and welcome to my reflection video for project number 2 for visual frameworks. This is Matthew Ashton. Let's go ahead and get started. So one of the main problems that I encountered is actually on this page right here, where we had to toggle out some of the CSS data and hide some of the other forms. I could not for the life of me get these two buttons to show up and actually function. Turns out I finally figured it out after many hours of trying to figure out where exactly I went wrong. I had my buttons listed inside the form, and obviously since we're hiding the form, those buttons were then hidden. So I was not able, to see them until I took those out. And I eventually fixed it and got it to work. And everything went pretty smoothly from then on. So things I discovered actually ties in with what I think of CSS. I never really messed around with CSS before, and I actually thought that it went pretty easily. It just took an hour or two of just kind of trying out all sorts of different margins, paddings, borders, all the different options, single, double line, scrolling, no scrolling, colors. It just took a lot of trial and error, but it was great just to sit there and try something, hit refresh on the browser, see what it looked like. Try something else, hit refresh, see what it looked like. I thought that it was great. Yeah, it was really, really great to see. Local storage is a huge benefit for users, obviously with different companies charging more and more for data. It's great to just kind of store right on the device rather than sending it to a server and then sending it back, which can rack up your data charges, and no one wants that. So I think local storage is a huge benefit to users and to programmers and developers. I'm so surprised at how easy it was. All I had to do was just call it local storage. I mean, it was really easy. Once I got the hang of it, I think it's a huge benefit to everybody involved. So that's it. As you can see, got my web app here. Things are working pretty smoothly. The only thing I couldn't figure out, for some reason, whenever I click Add Game to Watch With, it saves it, does all it's supposed to do, but it doesn't refresh the form. Not really sure how to fix that, so it's going to be something I'm going to be emailing Mr. Gibson about, seeing if he could give me a pointer on that. Other than that, things went pretty well. See you guys next week.